And so when you do move, breathe, um, we get out in nature, uh, what happens for you inside?
I think the biggest thing that happens to me, or the thing that I'm most aware of, is actually a quietening of the mind and a simplifying of my thoughts, a reconnection to what's important, a bigger perspective. So our mind, our brain, and our thoughts are all part of this beautiful equation. However, often when I need to go back to the body or get out in nature, the biggest thing that happens is, oh, I needed my mind to just give me a little bit of a break. I needed some space between the thoughts.